Hey everyone, I'm Dana Cortez.
I'm DJ Automatic.
I go by Anthony A.
We're the Dana Cortez Show, and we have asked Jonathan from Superstar Car Wash back so that he can name our Superstar of the Week. Jonathan, welcome.
Great to be with you guys, and we've got another great nominee today. So can I just jump in and tell you all about Modesta?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
let's hear it.
All right, so Modesta was nominated by her son-in-law, Oscar Garcia, and Oscar told us what incredible help that Modesta is to just both her sister and her daughter-in-law. Her sister lives by herself, but she gives her sister work to do around her house and actually pays her so that she can be more self-sufficient. Now, I was blown away by this next story. Modesta is in her house one day and hears her neighbor screaming, and Modesta saved her neighbor's life. He was caught between his car and the garage, pinned in between, and he yelled out for help. Modesta heard him, ran over, moved the car, and saved her neighbor's life.
Oh.
I don't know if is that crazy?
Yes.
Well,
amazing.
It's
I mean,
amazing. If she hadn't been there, I mean, this is an incredible story.
Yeah, but it gets even better. You know, Modesta has a desire to serve others. She cleans older people's homes as her job and gets paid very little for it. She's retired and she does it just to help them more than for the money. And pre-COVID, she was an unbelievable volunteer at her church, including decorating the church for holidays, helping with children's ministry by taking care of kids. She also worked as a bookkeeper, accountant for the church to help with the offering money. She'd stay after church and count the money as part of that committee. At the end of the day, here's what I love about Modesta. She's very selfless. She doesn't ask for anything. She never looks for compensation for her service, and she's available whenever you call. And so because of that, Modesta, we at Superstar Car Wash and with the Dana Cortez Show want to call you our Superstar of the Week, and we're going to give you a year of free car wash.
Yes.
Yay!
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, she's great. She's a lot of help. She's the most selfless person I know. She was the first one that came to my mind when I heard about your promotion. So I'm really glad that you guys have picked her and that she is a superstar.
She is a superstar.
Get the word out and nominate more folks so that we can recognize everyday heroes like Modesta. And thank you guys at the Dana Cortez Show. You're great partners, and I love seeing you.
Woo!
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.